Hey everyone, Thomas with Houston Paint Protection here, bringing you another one of our paint protection film and ceramic coating projects. Today we are going to be starting on this 2024 BMW M2. This vehicle is used for daily driving, lots of highway commuting, being driven around in heavy industrial environments, and being parked there for long periods of time. So the owner is looking to get some impact protection for the front end and a ceramic coating for the full car to keep it looking glossy, new, and easy to clean. He is opting for our new car protection package number 2, and what that includes is full front paint protection film, so he'll be getting coverage on the bumper, the lights, the trim pieces in the bumper, the full hood, full fenders, and mirror caps. It also includes the ceramic coating for the full exterior of the vehicle, which covers the paint protection film, the paint, wheels, brake calipers, all of the trim and plastics, and we also do a glass coating as well. Our ceramic coating package is all inclusive for the exterior, so we cover everything. To start off, we need to prep the car properly. So what we're going to do is start with the wheels, tires, and fender wells. There was some tire dressing and grease and road grime and built up all in that area, so we're going to use some heavy cleaners on the fender well area, the perimeter of the fender itself, the wheels and tires to get all of that residue off so we don't have any complications trying to get the paint protection film to stick. Also to prep the area for the ceramic coating. Next, we'll move on to the wash for the full exterior of the vehicle, and then we'll go back through with brushes and get all of the tight crevices up front to make sure we pull all of the debris out so that doesn't end up under the paint protection film. After that, we will move on to the clay bar, which is going to remove all of the physical contamination off of the surface of the vehicle, all of the more aggressive things that don't come off with the regular wash. And finally, this is a BMW M car, so it throws a lot of brake dust. There's going to be a lot of iron contamination in the paint, so we'll be using some iron decon to pull that out and make sure we don't see any of the little orange or black spots underneath the PPF or the ceramic coating. After that, our final step of prep is going to be solvent prepping edges and also cleaning in the engine jam area. So I did notice that inside the engine bay, they had used some really thick dressing on the plastics, and when you run the vehicle, that stuff gets in the air. It gets all over the edges of the hood, the bumper, and the fenders where we're going to be wrapping the film. So we'll use some heavy-duty cleaners to clean all of that out, solvent prep it like the remainder of the vehicle. That's going to get the paint protection film, and then we'll be done and ready to move on to the PPF install and the ceramic coating install. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it, so you guys stick around and you'll be able to see the full process.